Welcome back, everyone. So check this out. Behind me we've got a Washington Navel Orange. And this tree has been in the ground for only 5 years. And we are getting an abundance of production. I've been harvesting oranges off this tree for over a month now. And it's like never ending. I come out here, harvest 2, 3, sometimes 4, have an entire meal off this tree. And every time I come out here, I'm looking at it and I'm going, it looks the same as it did the other day. It's like there's nothing missing. These oranges right here are fantastic. They're juicy, they have a nice balance of sugar to acid, a little bit sweet and sour, no seeds, easy to peel. So check this out. Have you ever purchased an orange from the store and you're digging your nails in there and it's almost impossible to get the peel off? Well, this peel basically falls off. I'm not doing the best job for you right now. But nature knows what's best for you. Here in season, in the winter time, we've got these little vitamin C capsules growing right on the tree, full of water and nutrients. So today I'm going to harvest a bowl of these oranges, and that's going to be my food for the day. I'm going to have a mono meal of fruit for lunch, for dinner, and this is something that I love to do. Great way to utilize the fruit coming off the trees, and it's a way that I cleanse as well. So come along, let's see what we get in a couple minutes here. There's a lot of fruit hanging low on the tree. So literally, in less than a minute, we've harvested our meal for the day. Let's go put it on the scale and see how much we got here. So the empty bowl weighs about 2.5 pounds. And here we've got, looks like about 13 pounds. So we've got 10 pounds of oranges here. Now, if you were to buy 5 pounds of organic oranges from the store, it's usually going to be close to about $10 with tax. So we're looking at maybe a $20 harvest here. The initial investment on this tree was under $30. This tree has already paid for itself last year with our harvest. So everything from now for the next 30 plus years is all just bonus, just free food. Really, I don't do hardly anything as far as maintenance goes for this tree. Maybe a little bit of fertilizer. I soak around the roots maybe 5 times throughout the summer. Just do a really nice mulch. So if you wanted to count that investment, it's probably about $5 a year. And out of that $5, it probably produces an extra $50 worth of produce on the tree. So with that being said, you can see how growing fruit trees is an extremely good investment. I highly recommend, if you can, to grow a citrus tree or 2. Orange trees, I've got 2 different varieties. I've got the Valencia, which is really good for making juice. They're a smaller orange. The Washington Navel, which is great for easy peeling, eating out of hand, seedless. So with that, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Hope you're having a great day. Until next time, this is Dan from plantabundance.com. Take care. I'll be talking to you again soon. All those essential oils bursting out of this fresh orange. It's hard to find freshness like this from the store, but this orange was picked a minute ago. Check it, y'all. Plant abundance on the mic, on the mic, on the mic. 2020 just arrived. Where you cashing me? Outside, planting them seeds in dope fruit trees. And one day I'ma put this down for thee on the microphone until the break of dawn. I keep this party going on. You know I'm never stopping for nothing, Nathan. When I'm on the mic, I'm constantly debating. Should I put it down the way it's supposed to be?